Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neera, and on this channel we do all things home. So before starting today's video, I want to thank all of you for all the love that you've shown on my earlier two videos. This is that love that keeps me going and making more content for all of you. Thank you so much. So as you can see from my background, we are standing in my dining room today. Currently, I have just this table sitting over here. Today's video is all about making over this place. So, shuru kare? So this dining table we got from Flipkart. It came with a table, four chairs, and a bench. The mirror that you see on top of the table, we've added it separately. It did not come with the table. ये बेसिकली इसलिए किया जिसमें डेली वेयर एंड टेयर से जो टेबल एक्चुअल वुड है उसका पॉलिश ना उतरे. द ग्लास टॉप इज अराउंड 8 mm of glass. This cabinet that you see here, it is basically an extra cabinet that I have. It was part of a three-door cabinet which I've put here, and I am using this as my pantry space. So I keep all my grains and extra pantry stuff basically in this cabinet right here. It becomes handy because my kitchen is just opposite of this room. So this comes in very handy that way. I got two lamps for this space. This one is from a local store and the other one is from Ikea. So the next wall that you see in my dining room is this wall. It's like a prized possession for me. ये pictures मेरे pre-wedding photos हैं और I thought of making a nice gallery wall out of it. इनके ऊपर एक light है which reflects and it really beautifully shows these pictures in the evening. Uh, I did this off camera just because I wanted them to look perfect and completely aligned. तो मैंने ये वॉल डेकोर बनाया आउट ऑफ wool and embroidery hoops for that space right there. There is a video coming soon in which I teach you step by step how you can make this. So do subscribe so that you don't miss that video. अब हम जल्दी से इसको वहाँ पीछे लगा देते हैं and then देखते हैं कि ये कैसा लगता है. Okay, so now अब सारी major things are in place. Let's add in some greenery. So I have two plants for this space. एक मनी प्लांट है और एक फेक प्लांट. इस एरिया में ज़्यादा लाइट नहीं आती, इस वजह से I've bought a fake plant, but that looks pretty real. Let me place it and then show you how it looks. The plants are also in now. Yeah. So there is a small story behind this. I got this originally for my console table. Really liked it. But उस दिन मुझे inch tape की कीमत समझी. I thought I just eyeballed it कि हाँ ये आ जाएगा, but it just missed by this much और वो मेरी console table में fit नहीं हुआ. But the thing is that I really want to showcase this and I want कि ये सब जगह से दिखे. So I'm going to place this on top of that cabinet just beside the plant so that it is visible from everywhere in the house. Let me place this. After that, let's set up the table and then put in those final touches. that you cannot keep your table set every day, right? There is a video coming up soon on the channel where I tell you how to keep your dining table on a daily basis versus when you are having guests over or when you're hosting for someone. The table is set. Now let's put in those finishing touches and then reveal the space to you guys. Adding a vase at the center of the dining table. Adding fresh lilies to the vase. Placing candle holders on the table. And finally adding candles to the candle holder. All the final touches are now in. So do you remember how this place looked earlier? And that's my dining room. I hope you all enjoyed giving my dining room a makeover. With this, we complete the front portion of my house. The entryway makeover and the living room makeover are up on my channel. Go watch them. I'll also put my Instagram handle down here. Do follow me there. I post content almost every single day. Like this video, comment down below what was your favorite part in this video. Subscribe to my channel. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.